What is the color of A
Red.
and how A sounds?
A.
And what is the color of B
Light blue and dark blue.
and how B sounds?
B.
And how C sounds?
C.
And what is the color of C?
Yellow and orange.
Very good. And how D sounds?
D.
Okay, what is the color of D?
Light green.
What is the color of E?
Dark blue.
Okay. And how E sounds?
E.
And how F sounds?
F.
And what is the color of F?
Black.
And how G sounds?
G.
Once again.
G.
And what is the color of G?
Purple.
And what is the color of H?
Dark blue.
And how H sounds? Once again. And how I sounds?
I.
And what is the color of I?
Light blue.
What is the color of J?
Purple.
And how does J sounds?
J.
And how does K sounds? And what is the color of K?
Yellow and brown.
Okay. And what is the color of L?
Dark green and pink.
Okay. And how L sounds?
L. M.
And how M looks?
Smart.
And what is the color of M?
Orange.
What is the color of N?
Orange.
And what is the color of O?
Light blue.
And how O sounds? And what is the color of P?
Pink.
And how P sounds? Once again. And what is the color of Q?
Cream.
And how Q sounds?
Yup.
And what is the color of R?
Red.
How does R sounds?
O.
Once again.
O.
And what is the color of S?
Light green.
And how S sounds? Once again. Very good. And what is the sound of T?
T.
And what is the color of T?
Gray.
What is the color of U?
Dark light green.
Okay. And how U sounds?
You.
Once again.
You.
Okay. And how does V sounds?
V.
And what is the color of V?
Light blue.
Okay. And what is the color of W?
Purple and red.
What is the color of W?
Purple and red.
And how W sounds?
W.
And what is the color of Y?
Yellow. Yellow.
And what is the color of X?
Purple.
And how X sounds?
X.
And how does Y sounds?
Y.
And what is the color of Y?
Yellow.
And what is the color of Z?
Blue.
And what is the sound of Z?
Z.
Once again.
Z.
Okay.